You're live!
Alright guys, here is the deal today. It's a stand. You know who it's from? Anybody ever heard of BURSIG?
Yeah, very good.
Oh my god, look at it!
Gosh. Frosty White! Ooh.
It is Frosty White. Alright. This is what they call the BURSIG stand. As you guys know, if this takes a long time, it's because I am not an engineer, nor a mechanic, just the pilot. I cannot do mechanic stuff. You guys already know it. I have the track record. The original center lift stand, it's BURSIG. There's the info. We're going to see how it works. They package these up airtight.
They do.
That's good.
Okay, she got a few bugs on her. I'm sorry.
I gotta clean it, but it's gonna be a lot easier when I have that stand on it. This seems to go through here. This is the lever that's gonna pop it up. So, I'm just gonna put it through here. Let it pull out. Oh, okay.
There you go. See?
Alright. Wheels all look the same. I guess they can all just go in, huh?
Looks that way.
We have a Torex 50. This is the bolt we need to get in. Off. Come check it out. It's right there. Size 50. We ready to take it out? You think I'm going to be able to get it? Oh yeah. No probs. The original S1K bolt. We're going to replace it with BURSIG's thing here and their own bolt. Is the 8 to 1? You know it. Alright, let's replace it with BURSIG's. What is the original? I don't even know what this is for, that bolt in there. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I don't... Once you have it in there,
then
you bring it. Yeah, you bring it up,
it locks
and
in.
it locks in, right?
I mean, that's in there pretty tight, pretty strong now.
Wow.
Now she's up.
Nice.
Free spinning.
Pretty cool.
You need to move it to get to the other side, you can do it. You need to move it back. I mean, this is the worst kind of floor to have it on, obviously, but look at it. And if somebody like me can put it together, you guys can do this. This is the BURSIG stand. Who's here? Get him! Get him!
Yes, Jesus. Jesus made
He
it.
gets to witness the stand.
Good, just in time. I gotta go potty.
Alright guys, this is the BURSIG stand. Give me this, Dana. Thank you so much. If you guys want this stand yourself, it goes on every bike, alright? It's not just the S1K. Let me show you.
He's showing them. So what do you think? Isn't that pretty awesome? Look at that. I can move it around. Right?
Alright guys, here's the deal. The discount code is MAXWRIST. This is the website, www.bursigusa.com. You will get a 15% discount on your new stand if you use the promo code MAXWRIST at bursigusa.com. So
15%.
look at that thing. That looks sick, doesn't it, Jesus?
Impressive.
Oh, it's sexy. Need some MAXWRIST stickers on it, and it'll be completed. That is nice. All right, guys. BURSIGUSA.com. 15% off is a big deal. That's no chump change. So I'm gonna get back to the Twitch stream here. Thank you guys on YouTube, and we'll see you on the next ride. I think I'm riding tomorrow actually. So I'll see you guys out there. Peace, peace.